Yeah, buddies, welcome to another video. Hope you guys are doing fine. Here is another updated version of Spike Killer for Boom and Crash. As you guys can see, with multiple features, this is an updated version. Below, here you guys can see a dashboard which is showing the buy signal. And here you guys can see this is strength meter, which will show you the strength of your trend. And here you guys can see the index price, the index growth based on trend, and the pip count. Now you guys can see the arrow signal which is appeared as same as in previous version. Look here guys, we open the trade and waiting for a spike on this boom index. And here we enter a trade on arrow signal. We're waiting for a spike. And once a spike appears, you're going to close this trade in profit. Now you may hold this trade for more 3 candles. If there's no spike, you may close after 3 candles. If there's spike, you book more pips. Now you guys can see here, we are holding this trade with 3 candles stop loss strategy. We are waiting for manually stop loss 3 candles. Now we are waiting for 3 candles stop loss. Once the market reaches to 3 candles stop loss, we will close manually the trade in front of you guys. I received this signal. Once the signal pop up, I started recording for you guys, so you people see live how actually the system works and what's this indicator and what's the features and how actually it's work. Now it's, as you guys can see, it's market is moving downward, and we into the signal a trade on buy signal, waiting for 3 candle stop loss. Either market hit 3 candle stop loss or maybe market give us profit. Keep watching the video guys. If you feel bored, give us speed up. If you guys were interested in this system, you guys can check the description, chat with us. Our team here to help you guys. Follow our Telegram channel where we post daily basis good signal using this system with big lots. People make free a lot of money with us. 3 candle stop loss. The countdown is started after arrow. Open the trade, waiting for a spike. Keep watching the video guys. Hopefully there will be a spike. Now you guys can see the market is moving downward. The Renko's going down. We are waiting for a boost, a big spike. Yeah, my boys, we are waiting for a spike, so we make some pips on Boom 500 index trade. Keep watching guys. Keep your eyes on market movement, on price momentum. This will be our last candle. Look here guys, awesome. As we claimed, the same thing we showing you guys live in front of you. Thanks for watching. Best of luck guys. Chat with our team if you guys want.